Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find wallpaper. As you can see right here, we've got some albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from. They are online wallpapers, which means that you need the internet connection, but no worries, under it we've got system wallpapers, so those are pre-installed on the device. But I will choose something from the online wallpapers. Let me tap on more. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of beautiful options from which we can choose. So let me quickly find the wallpaper. I'm not sure which one, but just give me a second and I'm pretty sure that I will find something suitable. The squirrel, maybe this panda. Let's simply tap on the wallpaper in order to check the preview of it. As you can see, you can slightly change the position of the wallpaper. You can also swipe and check other options. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. And now you can decide whether you want to set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both. It will be both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.